To me, this is probably the coolest thing here. This is Lance, York's Wax again at Houston Mecum Auctions. This is a 1970 Indian 50cc, and as you can see, someone has built a stand for it. So unlike a lot of the mini bikes, an adult really isn't riding this as a pit bike. So it's really just put it in your house and look at it. Man, it is done right. Completely restored. Let's take a look at it to give you a good idea how small this bike is. Literally, my hand can fit over the whole engine. I think they made these in Italy. I believe. Smallest Indian ever produced. Designed for 4 to 5 year old age children. And nut and bolt restoration. Yeah, here's the Italian sticker right here. Man, it's done right. Super, super nice. Yeah, if you're a bike guy, if you're especially an Indian bike guy, you probably got to have this. Super, super nice. Everything on it's perfect. Good stuff. Yep, that's awesome. So yeah, I'll be doing some other cars here today and some walkthroughs and just kind of showing you what Houston Mecum's about. Man, there's a lot of cool stuff here today. A lot of cool stuff, and a lot of it's obtainable. You know, middle class kind of cars. A lot of them are. Stay tuned.